Hey, what's up you guys? If you're new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Welcome back to my home coffee bar, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an easy and delicious raspberry syrup to put in whatever drink you want or put on whatever food that you want. Oatmeal, yogurt, it's really up to you. I usually make a syrup in the beginning of the week so that during the week I can just use it however I see fit. So it's going to be super simple, super easy, but let's make a raspberry syrup. First thing we're gonna do, start with the fresh raspberries. Then you're gonna go and add 3/4 cup to a cup of white sugar. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of water. Turn on our stove. Then we want to stir until the sugar dissolves. And then we're going to cook these raspberries on low and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to muddle them, extract more flavor, and then let them sit and steep for another 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and mash. Okay, let's turn off the heat and let this sit and steep for about another 10 minutes, and then we're going to strain. Okay, the raspberries have steeped, so let's get ready to strain. Look how good it looks. I'm gonna mash some more to get the rest of the juice out. Now we're going to store it in our glass jar. Again, you can store it in a glass container, any container, but make sure that you store it for up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator, okay? These are good for 2 weeks, but honestly, I go through them very quickly within 1 week. So let's pour into our jar. Jar number 1. Jar number 2. All right guys, and here it is, my raspberry syrup. So first up, I'm going to go ahead and make a white chocolate raspberry latte. Let's make that.